What's going on, everyone? Welcome to your video. Today, I'm going to show you an app that I found on my phone, and you can use this to edit videos right from your phone, and you get tons of cool features that you probably get on some professional software. So let's get right into it. So the app is called VN, Video Editor. So if you download it, you'll come to this screen, and you'll see all these different things. So templates, filters, so on. You can put all the stuff in, and I'm assuming over here, project, stories, templates, works. You can kind of just put whatever you want in there, and that stuff that you create, it'll just be there so you can see it. So let's make a new project. So let's select this that I just recorded. And now we come to our interface. So I just recorded this just for a test clip. So you can see we already have some amazing features here right now. So if you've seen some of my videos or other people's videos where in Premiere you can see all the timelines and stuff, you get all these features right here. So, and from my knowledge, when you do all this stuff, it's completely free and you don't have to pay for pretty much anything in this app. Let's see, if I scroll through, it's just me messing around. So we have our music, we have subtitle, we have sticker, we have our audio. So if I just play it, you can see it's there. So let's mess around and let's not use a template actually. Let's say I want to color grade it. I can put a bunch of these different filters and I'll get some cool looks, and you can adjust the intensity. So let's say I want to make it different. So like, very little or a lot. Aesthetic, different stuff. There's a bunch of different stuff you could do. I'm exploring this at the same time as you. So I'm actually exploring this all right now. So let's just say apply to all. And speed. So let's say you want to speed ramp it. Okay, so let's go back and let's actually see that. That's pretty cool, actually. I mean, curving it, it's like you could do this in Premiere where you like speed ramp it up and down. It takes a little bit more effort, but I mean, some of the results are really, really good. So to do this on your phone, that's insane. So let's keep that. Let's just keep that for now. So at speed, you can split the clip, so I can split it right there. So now we have two independent clips. You could trim it. I'm not going to trim it right now because I want to keep it all. So some of these effects, let's see spinning. Oh, that's pretty cool. That's actually really trippy. Oh god, I'm sorry for anyone who hates flashes, but yeah, you can do a bunch of really cool stuff. Wow, that's actually insane. So you can use this to edit your like TikToks or Instagram Reels, whatever you want. I'm having a blast right now, I'm not gonna lie. So you can do a bunch of cool stuff. You can extract your audio. Okay, so you have to reset your speed. So I'm assuming that means like, so everything's not distorted and stuff, so you can kind of split the clips, and that's what you can extract the audio to mess around with it as well. You can keyframe stuff too, that's pretty cool. Cropping, this is actually really important. So for example, if you see here, this is for YouTube. So if you send me, some of you seeing this on YouTube, you'll see this Instagram Reels, and as where like you might want to post stuff. So you get all these different aspect ratios. It's really important. So let's see. Oops, I just was there. We can put a border too. So let's see if it shows up. Oh, there it was. So you can put stuff like that. That's pretty cool. Okay, let's actually go back to our background then. I want to see what this is. So, oh, okay. So that's where the background is. So now if I play it all, now it's adding all the stuff that we did. So one thing I saw when I was discovering this app, I saw a video on it, and it said to delete this thing because it'll put it in as a kind of like a placeholder. So just take this and just delete it because you don't want it there because it's going to show up at the end of your video and you don't want that. So that's one thing to do. You could freeze frame. Let's see where it freeze frames it. So freeze. Oh, wow. Okay. So yeah, it takes freeze frames. That's really, really cool. It's actually something that it's harder to do on some other softwares. So there's a lot of different stuff you could do here. And okay, so now let's see if I want to save and export it. So let's save it. So now you can see our projects are here. So that's one project. Okay, so now and I guess the only thing to do is share projects means you can only export a certain amount to your social media directly. So that's one thing to keep in mind. So 100, I mean, that's just for today. So you'll probably not get nearly as much. But I mean, if you want to do a bunch at once, then that's probably where you're going to run into problems. But for the most part, most people are not going to do that. So you're good. So let's go back into our project and see if we can export it. So the cool thing is with this app, you can export in certain resolutions. So like 1080p. I don't know if it'll scale up to 4K, but I mean, if your camera or on your phone runs to 4K, use that. So you can preserve your quality, export the original. I don't know why it's going backwards actually. Okay, cool. It's a little bit hard to move the slider sometimes. FPS, it changes dramatically, I guess. That's something really cool as well. Bitrate is important, and you can actually save these settings too, which means, you can have a preset for different things. So that's really, really cool. And now you can see it's just exporting our clip. It'll give you a notification. Perfect. And then there we go. So save and publish. I think here you just... So for this feature, I think you have to do it when you're online, and I'm purposely offline so I don't get any notifications while we're recording. But you could probably post this directly to your social media. I'm not going to do that right now because it's just a random clip I took for this video. But this is just to show the basic features of this app and some powerful things you could do. Some things I didn't even know you could do on this. So I definitely recommend downloading this. It's really good. It's free. And the best part is there's no watermarks when you export, so you can just kind of do whatever you want with it, and you can just use it however you want. So I really hope you enjoyed this video and this review on this app. I'm looking at it for the first time too, so I really hope you enjoyed me kind of getting excited about it too. Thanks for watching. If you got some value out of this video, please like, comment, and subscribe down below. Share it so people can see it, and so a lot of people can get started on creating, because we all want to create stuff. We all want to share our ideas. So this is one way to do it really well, really professionally. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Peace out. Bye.